Hi, today we want to model a cabinet door handle. If you want to learn it, stay with me. I'm Irfan and you're watching Prime Engineering channel. This is the drawing of our part and the download link is in the description. Let's get to work. New, select part. The idea of making this part is to create three sketches and connect them together and control the surfaces with three guides. You can draw more sketches and guides if you feel you need to. So I draw my first sketch on top plane. Second sketch should be on the right plane and it's our middle section. The third and the final sketch is on the top plane. I select front plane and I go to sketch. This is our first guide. I draw a simple arc, but the most important thing here is that any guide you draw should have intersection with your sketches and sections. For two other guides, I select curve through reference point, and I select points. One more time for the other side. I select lofted bus base tool. In profiles, I select sections. Make sure these green circles are in the right position. If they are not, simply drag them to the right spot. For the guides, I select sketch 4 and two other curves. I need two holes for the screws. And it's done. Thanks for watching.